Biomagnification. Objective: to understand the phenomenon of biomagnification. Biomagnification, also known as biological magnification or bioamplification, is an increase in the concentration of a certain substance in the bodies of organisms moving through the trophic levels of food webs. This can be seen in DDT, a now banned agricultural pesticide, as it is sprayed across a field of crops. As rain falls, the pesticide will be washed off and seep into the groundwater and can also be accumulated into any water bodies such as ponds. Although the DDT will only be present in small amounts in the pond water, 0.000001 parts per million, it can still be absorbed by the algae, 0.04 parts per million, that is also in the pond. Small fish, which consume large amounts of the algae, will begin accumulating large amounts of DDT, 0.5 parts per million. As larger fish eat several smaller fish, they will consequently accumulate an even greater amount of DDT in their tissues, 2 parts per million, through absorption. Birds consuming several of these large fish will accumulate still greater amounts of the pesticide, 25 parts per million. Then, a human eating several contaminated fish may be exposed to significantly higher doses of DDT, 50 parts per million. In this way, a small quantity of a toxic substance will increase in concentration through the food chain or food web of an ecosystem. Summary: biomagnification is the phenomenon of an increased accumulation and absorption of toxic substances corresponding with an increase in the trophic levels of a food chain or food web.